Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing essentials. Confirm the exact site URL and the admin username or email and have the password ready. Once done, open your browser and enter your site. com/wpadmin or your site. com/wplogin. PHP. This takes you straight to Wordpress login. Make sure to use a private or secure network so credentials stay safe. If you can't remember the password, click the Lost Password link now to request a reset. Follow the email. After you submit credentials, WordPress authenticates and redirects you to the dashboard by default. If not, click Dashboard in the left menu. You'll see the admin toolbar at the top and the main navigation on the left: Posts, Pages, Media, Appearance, Plugins, Users, Tools, Settings. Once inside, scan the at-a-glance and activity panels to confirm site status. If a security plugin or two-factor prompt appears, complete that step. Otherwise, proceed to open the specific section you need. To complete tasks, click the section you need: Posts to edit content, Plugins to manage extensions, Appearance to change themes. Once there, use screen options to customize visible panels and help to get contextual tips. If the dashboard doesn't load or shows errors, clear your browser cache and cookies, try an incognito window, or log in from another browser. If that fails, reset the password or check hosting status. Often a plugin conflict or caching issue is the root cause and resolves after disabling the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.